Good morning, everyone. It is a beautiful Sunday morning here in Tampa, and we are here at Armature Works, which is located in the Tampa Heights area of Tampa, directly located on the Hillsborough River. So today we are here to get brunch, and I've been here before, showing off some of the other restaurants here. But today, like I said, we are doing brunch, and probably gonna walk a little bit on the Riverwalk, which is a beautiful just walkway all the way down to downtown, all the way down to the port of Tampa and things like that. So let's get this adventure started. Let's get some brunch. We're here at Union, and the first thing I got is a little cappuccino, beautiful art. Needs a little sugar for my taste, but it's very good. Now we're gonna see if we can find some other breakfast items. It seems like there's not a ton of breakfast item options, but we're gonna see what we can find. So. We settled on Graze, and I got chicken and waffles, which I showed you this massive piece of chicken, and I got it with the maple bacon syrup. That's the word. Jeez. I'm gonna try this chicken first. Oh, that's good chicken. You wanna bite? Tell the peeps what you think. Really crispy outside, juicy inside. It's really good. Let's taste this waffle. I love a good waffle. It's my specialty when I make at home. Good waffle. The dessert's really good. Chris got a BYO bowl. So we got a base of potatoes, came with eggs. You got sausage, peppers, and mushrooms in it. So this is his. It's a breakfast bowl. It's good. I don't think it's anything that no one else can make. You know what I mean? The crunch on this chicken is really good. Ooh, and I got a side of tots, which also look super crunchy. Oh yeah. These are super crunchy. Oh, you already took one? Okay, cool. Okay, so all of this is really good. Good breakfast option. I think they serve breakfast food more often than a lot of other places. I think their theme is kind of a diner. So this is really good. We're gonna enjoy our breakfast, and then we're gonna take you guys out on the water over here and show you a little bit more Armature Works and around the Riverwalk a little more. So, all right, something really cool that they have kind of throughout Armature Works are these little water stations that Chris is using. So all of them have still, room temperature, and sparkling water. So it's a nice, convenient water station for everyone to use. The water taxi is a great way to get around down on the Hillsborough River. We're not going to do it today. We'll probably do that another day. But it's really cute, and it's $20 a day for unlimited stops, you know, as long as they're running. And then if you live locally, you can actually get an annual pass to it. So kind of cool. classic brunch mimosa. Looks like you just get a very small splash of orange juice. The perfect way to have a mimosa. Yep, that's perfect. Alright, Chris got the out-of-towner. Let's try.
Give it a whirl.
Oh, it's nice. That's really good. Yeah, it is really
Kind of like an
refreshing.
antioxidant, I feel.
You definitely taste the cucumber, but yeah, it's really good. How is it? Strong?
I don't know, it's weird.
It's weird. Try Chris's icy. What's in it?
Wild turkey rye,
Wild turkey. Ooh,
pineapple lime, whatever Sonar is.
that's probably what's.
Hibiscus, orange
Hibiscus.
blossom.
That's good. No. Then I got the rosé sangria. Looks good. Yummy. We also got the jerk chicken egg rolls. Chris says that is pretty good. So, what is the dipping sauce? Do you know?
A pineapple.
Ooh, the pineapple dipping sauce.
Yeah.
Mmm.
A charred pineapple dipping sauce.
Very sweet, very good. And this has got a really good. The egg roll has a really good crunch on it. The jerk spice isn't too overwhelming. Isn't too overwhelming or too spicy. I know you can have that issue with jerk sometimes, but the pineapple dipping sauce really cools it down. Our server said that this was probably like the most popular shareable item on the menu, and I get it. It's really good. Do us here at Armature Works here in the Tampa Heights area of Tampa. Super good brunch, really fun environment, really active in the morning, Sunday morning here with all the kids playing and stuff like that. Nice little walk down the Riverwalk. I do have to mention that we do have a lot of scooters down here and they are not allowed on the Riverwalk, but bikes are. So as you saw, a lot of biking, a lot of running, a lot of walking, lots of dogs here, so that's always cute and adorable and fun to see. So thank you for joining me on this adventure, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!